Ever wondered how to securely manage your digital assets, especially when using a platform like Kraken? It's a question I get asked a lot, and it's a crucial one because the right crypto wallet can make all the difference in your crypto journey. Choosing the wrong one can lead to frustration, or worse, the loss of your precious crypto. So, if you're looking to dive into the world of Kraken and want to know which wallets play nice with this exchange, you've come to the right place. Now, before we jump into specific wallet recommendations, let's quickly recap what a crypto wallet actually is. Think of it like your digital bank account for cryptocurrencies. It's where you store, send, and receive your Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other digital assets. But unlike a traditional bank, you, and only you, control your crypto wallet. This is both a blessing and a curse. It gives you ultimate control, but also means you're solely responsible for its security. That's why choosing the right wallet is absolutely essential. Kraken, as a leading cryptocurrency exchange, offers a platform for buying, selling, and trading digital currencies. They also offer their own custodial wallet solution, which can be convenient for beginners. However, many users prefer the added security and control of a non-custodial wallet. A non-custodial wallet means you hold the private keys, not Kraken. This gives you complete ownership and control over your funds. If Kraken were to experience issues, your funds in a non-custodial wallet would remain safe. So, which non-custodial wallets work seamlessly with Kraken? The good news is that Kraken supports a wide variety of wallets. This gives you flexibility and allows you to choose the wallet that best suits your needs and technical expertise. Let's break down some of the most popular and reliable options. First up, we have hardware wallets. These are often considered the most secure option for storing large amounts of cryptocurrency. They're physical devices, similar to a USB drive, that store your private keys offline. This makes them virtually impervious to hacking. Think of it like storing your cash in a physical safe. Even if someone breaks into your house, they can't get to your safe unless they have the combination. Similarly, even if your computer is compromised, your crypto remains safe on your hardware wallet. Some popular hardware wallet brands that are compatible with Kraken include Ledger and Trezor. These devices support a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including those offered on Kraken. Using a hardware wallet with Kraken typically involves connecting the device to your computer and using a software interface to manage your transactions. It adds an extra layer of security to your Kraken experience. Next, we have software wallets. These are applications that you install on your computer or mobile device. They're more convenient than hardware wallets for frequent transactions, but they're also more susceptible to hacking if your device is compromised. Think of it like keeping some cash in your wallet for everyday expenses. It's convenient, but you wouldn't keep your life savings in your wallet. Examples of software wallets that work with Kraken include Electrum for Bitcoin and MetaMask for Ethereum and other ERC20 tokens. These wallets allow you to connect to Kraken and manage your crypto holdings directly. However, it's crucial to download software wallets from reputable sources and keep your software updated to minimize security risks. Another option is a web wallet. These wallets are accessed through a web browser. They offer convenience, but they're also considered less secure than hardware or software wallets because your private keys are potentially stored online. While Kraken itself offers a web wallet, many users prefer the added security of a non-custodial web wallet. One example of a web wallet that can be used with Kraken is MyEtherWallet, MEW, for Ethereum and ERC20 tokens. However, exercise caution when using web wallets and make sure you're using the official website to avoid phishing scams. Now, you might be wondering, how do I actually connect these wallets to Kraken? The process varies slightly depending on the type of wallet you're using. For hardware wallets, you'll typically need to install the wallet software on your computer and then connect the device. For software and web wallets, you'll usually need to generate an address within your wallet and then use that address to deposit or withdraw funds from your Kraken account. Kraken provides detailed instructions on their website for connecting different types of wallets. One important thing to remember is that Kraken, like most exchanges, requires Know Your Customer (KYC) and anti-money laundering (AML) compliance. This means you'll need to verify your identity before you can deposit or withdraw significant amounts of cryptocurrency. This is a regulatory requirement and is designed to prevent financial crimes. Another crucial aspect is security best practices. Regardless of which wallet you choose, you should always enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, on your Kraken account and your chosen wallet. 2FA adds an extra layer of security by requiring you to enter a code from your phone or another device in addition to your password. This makes it much harder for hackers to access your account, even if they have your password. 1. qnewshub.com. qnewshub.com. 2. www.gadgetgram.com. www.gadgetgram.com. Also, be extremely careful about phishing scams. Never click on links in emails or messages that claim to be from Kraken or your wallet provider. Always go directly to the official website by typing the address into your browser. Phishing scams are designed to steal your login credentials and gain access to your funds. Finally, remember that the best wallet for you depends on your individual needs and circumstances. If you're storing large amounts of cryptocurrency, a hardware wallet is generally the most secure option. If you need to make frequent transactions, a software wallet might be more convenient. If you're just starting out, Kraken's own custodial wallet might be a good place to begin, but as your holdings grow, consider moving to a non-custodial solution. Do your research, understand the risks and benefits of each type of wallet, and choose the one that you feel most comfortable with. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.